As you probably already know, I'm quite the Harry Potter fan. So today we are going to Hogwarts at Christmas time and we are going to make a Harry Potter Christmas tree cake. Welcome back to Shalee's Bakes Cakes. I love Harry Potter. And I especially love Harry Potter at Christmas. I can hear the Harry Potter music, the Christmas music right now. Come on guys, you can hear it too. All right, so today we're just gonna make a Harry Potter Christmas tree cake, and I just frosted my cake and I just did a yellowish gold kind of color just because it reminds me of Hogwarts. And after I got the cake all ready and frosted, I'm gonna add a little bit of my Glamour Luxe Dust from Sweets and Treats. It's edible, and we're not gonna add any alcohol to it today. We are just going to paint it on the buttercream right here just to give it that extra Harry Potter shine. Now to get these Christmas trees ready, I saw this fun Christmas tree technique over at Preppy Kitchen and I decided we needed to try it. So all we're gonna do is get our ice cream cones. We're just using sugar cones today. And this part is a little bit tricky because they like to break. They like to break because they're pretty fragile, but I just have some kitchen scissors as you can see, and now I'm just gonna start cutting, just cut into this ice cream cone because we need the back of it out so that we can push it up against our cake. So just cut it, make sure you have a few extra to spare because you'll probably need it. You can see I have my cake, I just brought it out of the freezer so it's nice and cool and chilled and ready for these ice cream cones. You guys can decide where you wanna put your fun Christmas trees. I'm just gonna stick them right in the buttercream right here. And just make a little, we'll do the tall one and then the short one. And we'll do a tall one and then we're gonna do a short one. Just stick your ice cream cones wherever you want on your cake. And now it's time to create some Christmas magic. I just dyed some buttercream green and I have my 4B tip. Just start piping your buttercream, kind of start at the bottom, press it, let go, press, let go, and just keep going. Just continue this fun process until all of your Christmas trees are covered in buttercream. Now I'm gonna do a Christmas tree on top of our cake because it's gonna be the big Hogwarts Christmas tree. And I'm just gonna do it right here on my counter. I'm gonna start out and just start piping around the bottom and just go all the way up in a pattern and leave that little last top. Don't put any buttercream on it because you'll be able to pick it up and set it right on top of your cake, and then you can finish it off with a little dollop. And if there's some on the bottom, like for me, I'm gonna fill it in. Then I'll put a little dollop of buttercream on top. And I'm gonna kind of fill in this tree a little bit more with more buttercream because it needs to be a little bit fuller. And there you have it. We have 5 Christmas trees on this cute cake. Now to make this cake, all things Harry Potter style. All right, I painstakingly picked through all of my sprinkles so that I could get the right colors for the right houses. I have Gryffindor, of course, which is red and that brighter gold. Then we have Ravenclaw, which is blue and the darker gold. So we've got Slytherin here. We have green and silver. We have Hufflepuff, which is yellow and black. So now I'm just gonna decorate each tree to represent a different Hogwarts house. Just start placing those sprinkles on those trees. Some of them I use, you can see I have my little tweezers. Other ones I just put on there with my fingers, just whatever's easiest for you. I'm just gonna decorate these Hogwarts Christmas trees. Which house is your favorite? Now that we have our sorted Christmas trees into different Hogwarts houses, we need to decorate the big Christmas tree on top. And for this, I'm just gonna put a lot of the same sprinkles on. I'll put all the different house sprinkles on, just different colors. And then I have these fun little cutouts that I got off Amazon. What? And they're just Harry Potter cutouts, and I'm gonna stick them onto this tree on top just to give it that extra Harry Potter magic look. Then we'll top it off with some sprinkles. We'll put some sprinkles around the top. And just some right anywhere you guys want. Just throw those sprinkles on. Okay, now my favorite part of this Christmas tree cake. We have to make it look like Hogwarts, and it's always snowing at Hogwarts at Christmas time, so we need to add a little bit of snow. So here I've got my powdered sugar, and I'm just going to just lightly dust on top of the trees, on top of the cake. And there you have it, guys. A Harry Potter Christmas cake. It's Christmas at Hogwarts. I hope you guys are feeling the Harry Potter Christmas magic with this cake today. It was so much fun to create Hogwarts at Christmas with you guys. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. Have an awesome, magical day.